everyone, I just got my box from Unruly and we're gonna open up and see what's inside. It should be my brand new splats to use with my 3rd grade class this year. So let's see what's in here. Oh, very cool, here we go. We have got our Unruly Splats, and what you do with this is you code and then you play your own games. So let's open the box a little more. It's for kids age 6 and up. I'm sure you could even use it with kindergarten. And let's see what's inside here. Well, there's some rules here. We're actually gonna break the rules. So this is for kids only. So what are Unruly Splats? So they're toys you can jump on. So there's lights, there's sounds, you use your iPad, you can use the app, or you can even just go on something like Google Chrome. So this gives us all the directions what to do. It has all kinds of more instructions here. And if you wanna know what a splat looks like, this is a splat. And you just put your batteries in and you can turn it on. I haven't put my batteries in yet, but I got 2 splats from Unruly. So here's the first one, and here is the second one. So I'm super excited to use this with my 3rd grade class. I hope you check back in with me on my next video to show you all how to code a splat, and then we'll be playing some games this year with it. Thanks, guys.